Hi friends, the directions say write the time below each clock. I want you to remember that the first number, can you remember? Is it the hour or the minute? It's the hour. And the hour hand is the shorthand. Okay, so looking at this first clock, the shorthand is pointing to 6, and that is actually the hour. And then the minute hand is the longer hand, and if you remember at the top, it's the top of the hour, and we say o'clock, and we write it 00. So this first clock is 6 o'clock. Let's look at the second clock. The hour, it's between the 5 and the 6, and if you remember from the lesson, you can't say the next hour unless the hour hand is on that next number. So that hour hand is not on the 6, so you're going to back up to the hour before 6. The hour before 6 is 5. Now, on this clock, our hand was on 00. And so when you bounce to this next number, you're going to say 05. That 0 just holds the place value. So 00, 05, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And if you can remember, that's halfway around the clock, and half of 60 is 30. Or if you can't remember that, just bounce 5, 10, and so on. This is fun. Draw the hands on the clocks to make the time below. So which hand is your hour hand? The short hand or the long hand? I bet you're saying the short hand. So I'm going to highlight the hour, and these are both going to be your short hand. So 4 o'clock, I think I'm going to use the pen, and I'm going to draw halfway to the 4. Okay, it's not the best, it's close. Let me try it one more time. So about halfway to the 4. And then, do you remember what 00 is? Where do we start counting on a clock? At the top of the hour. So then the hour hand is going to go clear to the 12. That's not easy to do. Do the best you can with that. And then the highlighted first number is the hour hand. So you're going to put the hour on or close to the 9. And if we go back to this other slide, when it's on the half hour, the hour hand is actually halfway between this clock is the 5 and the 6 because it's halfway to 6. So this is 9:30. So here's 9 and the next number is 10. So your hour hand's going to be halfway to the 10 or halfway past the 9. So I'm going to try to draw that line to about right here. See if I can draw that line. So that's halfway between 9 and 10. And then I'm going to bounce and count by 5s. 0, 0, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So my long hand, my minute hand is going to go clear to the 6. And that's 9:30. So just do your best drawing the lines. I know it's not the easiest. You could probably use your shapes and draw your arrows. Let's try that. Yeah, you could do that. So you want to put the end of it on the dot and then use this to turn it different ways. So I don't know. I'll have to play with it. I'll maybe try that next time we do a lesson. Here we go. So that looks a little better, doesn't it? Okay. Well, you can mess around with that and you'll probably do a better job than me. Have fun.